In this video, you'll learn how to add a vertical divider in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to create columns and adjust your layout to effectively use dividers for better organization. Begin by navigating to Notion and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate the page where you wish to add the vertical dividers. It is important to note that vertical dividers require the use of columns, so planning your content layout beforehand is essential to ensure a smooth process. Next, create columns by dragging blocks next to each other on the page. To do this, click and hold on a block, then move it horizontally until it aligns with another block. Adjust the width of the columns as necessary by clicking and dragging the edges of each block. Proper alignment of blocks is crucial since columns serve as visual dividers, helping to separate content effectively. After establishing your columns, take a moment to fine-tune the layout. Adjust the spacing between each column to ensure they are visually appealing and balanced. You can add content to each column as you see fit. This step is significant as it finalizes the desired divider effect and enhances the overall organization of your page. Once you've arranged your columns and added content, review your layout to ensure everything appears as intended. If necessary, make further adjustments to the spacing or content to achieve the desired look. Keep in mind that a well-organized page can improve readability and accessibility for viewers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next tutorial.